The storm. Wilf and Wilma came to the house. They came to play. The children went outside. They climbed the tree. They looked in the tree house. What a mess, said Biff. Dad helped the children. He mended the roof. Biff and Wilma mended the door. Chip and Wilf painted the tree house. Wilf painted the door. Chip painted the walls. The tree house looked good. They children put things inside. They had a party in the tree house. It was bedtime. Biff was in her room. Biff looked outside. There was a storm. It was time for school. Wilf and Wilma came. What a storm, said Mum. The wind blew. The rain came down. What a storm, said Mrs. May. It was time to go home. The mums and dads came. What a wind, they said. Oh no, said Biff. The tree was down. What a mess, said Kipper. The children climbed on the tree. Floppy barked and barked. Floppy found something. It was a box. Everyone looked at the box. Mum opened it. They found a key inside. Chip wanted the box. He put it in his room.